family. Black Phoenix checking in. See where I'm at right now at a container spot. I am looking to buy a container for my shop. So they're over there getting to the money. So they do different type of stuff over here. Different little fabrication. This is one of they look like a little, pretty much like you want to have a little store. Check out the storefront. It's not bad, easy idea. Like a little porch on the front. So, people out here networking, man. Trying to do a couple things myself. 2020, big things gonna happen. Big things are gonna happen. Like I say, actions speak louder than words, always. Talk on.